Hello students, let's continue with the topic. Now once a candidate gets elected, he becomes an MPs together. These MPs constitute the parliament. These MPs need to perform different functions which are as follows. So the first function of the MPs we will see is to select the national government. So children, the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha form the Indian Parliament. Once the Lok Sabha's election gets over, a list is prepared which shows how many MPs each political party has. If a political party wishes to form the union government, it needs to have a majority of MPs in the house. So children, as same way as we have seen for the state government, the election has done here also in Lok Sabha. There are 545 elected members in Lok Sabha. You can see in the picture the total seat is 545 children, okay, in Lok Sabha members. Out of this, 2 are nominated member from the Anglo-Indian Committee. So 2 members out of total seat, 2 are from the Anglo-Indian community. To form a government, a political party needs to have at least half of the seat, that is 272 or more members should be from that party. Same we have seen for the state government MLA, how they need to have majority, more than half number of the seat. Here also they need more than half number of the seat. The winning party, they should have more than half number of seat. The political party which has the second largest number of seat in the house plays the role of opposition party against the ruling party. So the party which is having more than half the number of seat will be the ruling party, and the second place, those who are having the second number of the seat, they will be the opposition party. Selecting an executive is one of the most important function of Lok Sabha. This executive is a group of MPs who work together to implement the parliament's law in different way. The term executive always come to mind when we use the word government. So the leader of the ruling party, can you see children in the picture, the leader of the winning party in the Lok Sabha is the Prime Minister, that is called PM. The PM selects ministers from different departments from the group of MPs from his ruling party only, children. They work under the PM to implement different decisions. These ministers are in charge of different areas such as finance, health, education, etc. So same way as we have seen in the state government, the central government also works the same way. So the head of the winning party is the PM. In the state, the head of the winning party is Chief Minister, CM. Okay children. Now in the recent times, it has been seen that during election, a single party has failed to get more than 50% of 272 seat in Lok Sabha, which is a requirement to form a union government. In such a case, they join hands with other political parties who offer their support. See in the picture, you can see children. Now here they are not forming the majority. These Shiv Sena and NCP and INC, Indian National Congress, they are not having that much seat. So together these 3, and they have taken some other parties also, and together they have joined hands together to make a, they have given their support and they have alliance with each other. Okay, they have given the support to each other and formed their party. So political parties together. All these parties have similar concern. Such a government is known as coalition government. So that is alliance. Together they had formed the party, okay, because they were not having that much, more than half number of seats. So together they came together and formed a coalition government, that is alliance. So now next, let's come to the next, that is Rajya Sabha. Now another body, Rajya Sabha, function as the representative of India, Indian state in the parliament. It has power to initiate legislation. A bill has to be passed in the Rajya Sabha so that it can become a law. Hence it plays a great role in altering and reviewing the laws that the Lok Sabha passed. The Legislative Assembly of different states elect the member of Rajya Sabha. So we will see here in the picture, children. So how the Rajya Sabha members are elected. So Rajya Sabha has a total of 245 elected members. Out of these, 12 members are nominated by the President. And these members are distinguished personality of different field such as art, literature, etc. So here you can see in the picture Sachin Tendulkar and Rekha was nominated by the President for the seat of Rajya Sabha.